Oh my goodness, happy Saturday, VIPs. This is your pre-workout jolt. You've got to visualize your goals. You've got to then wake up and do the work. Faith without works is dead. How do you stay inspired? I stay inspired by constantly reminding myself just how far I've come. I remind myself of my before photo, how exhausted I felt. That actually catapults me and reminds me to keep going and be stronger. Ask yourself this question: how do you get yourself inspired to perspire? I love to work out because it gives me that rush, that feeling of positive energy. All of that serotonin is just firing off. My happy feeling hormones are all triggered, and then you feel so amazing. Sadly enough, people shoot up for it. They do drugs, they drink, they eat, they shop to get that feeling. That feeling is actually free inside of you. You create it when you do jumping jacks, when you do your JNL jacks, when you do your jump rope, when you do your fusion 4, when you do your squats. Your body releases all that good stuff inside of you. Everything you want is inside of you. You know, when you then get to resonate and vibrate and celebrate life with other like-minded women, that just adds so much fuel to your fire. It fans your flame, really. So, and to all the negative people out there, I got one word for you. Bye, Felicia. So long. Take it easy. Nice knowing ya. We don't have time for the people. Now, let's do a little math. Say we live a good 75 years. Just say. Take your age, subtract it. How many years do you have left? Okay, I'm going to be 45 in June, so that means I got 30 years. So think about it. How do you want to live the remaining years of your life? Life is so precious. Life is so short. No more anxiety, no more stress, no more depression. I want you to be so happy. Wake up and be goofy. Wake up and just vibrate from love and laughter, because that's when you start attracting more miracles and more success. We had a whole seminar on that yesterday in the private online coaching group here at jnlvip.com. A lot of you said that you're going to really stop any toxic relationships. That's a great way to then stop any negative self-talk, any doubt. Did you know that when you engage in negative relationships, that's when the negative talk starts? The emotional eating, the restless nights, the wondering, did I do this right? Did I do that right? No more of that. Your life is too precious. We don't have a lot of time. We need to kick this into sixth gear and have fun. Now, maybe it's really cold where you are. Well, we're going to heat things up, okay? We're going to be melting off any winter weight gain that you had. We're going to be getting ready for the Skinny Jean Challenge coming up in February. It also is the month of love. And look, I just want to show you that, oh my goodness, what? We only have Monday, Tuesday, oh my goodness, 3 more workouts left of January? You guys crushed it. We are doing a 5-part webinar series on New Year, New You. Your new year has been lit. And I'm so proud of you because you're writing it down, visualizing, crushing your goals, waking up in gratitude and saying, thank you, God, for another day. Your vessel, your body is a temple, mind, body, spirit. And you believe. I love it. I love putting things into action. We're not just putting up these graphics and lying to ourselves. We are really, seriously in alignment with our goals. Doing it. Now let's go put that faith into action and have some fitness fun. Today I'm teaching inspired to perspire, okay? New move alert. Get ready for the new move alerts. Let me say hello to everybody. Hi, Kathy. Hello, Yelly. Hello, Nina. Sally. Woo, woo. I love you too. Thank you so much. Brooke, I'll see you soon. Guys, get all cleaned up and washed up. We're going to get excited to get jolted. It's a God bless day. It's Saturday. I feel positive energy all around us. That's why I'm wearing all my yellow, my Jolt yellow. All right, I will see you guys soon. Believe, achieve. And what did I say yesterday in the private Jolt? Be willing to receive. Be worthy of it. Feel that you're worthy of it. If you're surrounding yourself with people that don't believe in your worth or trying to take your VIP power for their gain, don't make me do it again. Bye, Felicia. And hello, VIP power. Let's do this. Ooh, ooh. Love you guys. Yelly, thank you. Oh, I started it with a sensational sunrise and listening to this inspiration. Thank you and I love you. Let's do this. I'll see you guys soon. God bless you. If you're not a member, jnlvip.com. Come on aboard. Choo choo. Love you guys.